Greetings, Mr. E here. Today we're going to be looking at AQA Language Paper 1, Question 2. So, what's Question 2 all about, I hear you cry? Well, this question asks you to focus on 8 to 10 lines of a fiction text, and you need to analyse how a writer uses language to describe a person, place, or event. The question's worth 8 marks, and you should be spending around 5 to 8 minutes on the answer.
You might want to pause the video just so that you can read through the extract.
So what are you trying to show that you can do here? Well, here's the way the exam board describes it, but we can put it in simpler language. Firstly, you need to show a really good understanding of the writer's intended effect on the reader. Secondly, you need to choose quotations to support all of your ideas really thoughtfully, and you need to blend them into your discussion. And as well as this, you need to refer to a wide range of techniques that the writer uses to create these effects, subject-specific words. Here are just a few of the techniques that you could mention.
We're going to write 2 paragraphs, so the first thing we want to do is to find 2 key effects that the writer creates. Firstly, we notice that the writer creates a sense of brightness. We can see that in the words and phrases underlined in blue. Secondly, the writer creates a sense of movement. We can see this in the areas underlined in green. So now to write our 2 paragraphs. We begin with a topic sentence declaring the writer's purpose. The writer is keen for Brighton to present as a bright, vivid city. We then move on to give evidence in the form of blended quotations in sentence 2. He details how the air is glittering and the paint sparkled on the piers. And finally, in the third sentence, we detail methods and effects upon the reader. Both the adjective and then the verb enable you to visualize the light, exciting atmosphere. And so to our second paragraph, beginning with our topic sentence declaring the writer's purpose. Furthermore, green creates the sense of a lively and busy centre, followed by sentence 2, which gives evidence in the form of blended quotations. There are multitudes of people, miniature cars that race, and even inanimate objects, such as houses, are described as having run away. And finally, sentence 3, detailing methods and intended effects upon the reader. While the collective noun creates a sense of sheer number, the verbs ran and race skillfully convey both pace and energy to the reader. Remember our linking words in that second paragraph. Fabaroo.
See you next time for more great English hacks.